China Eco Unified is a company that's taking plastic and making them into tiles, the first one in the country to do so at a time when the conversations and the awareness really around the use of plastic in the country is increasing more and more. Take a listen to the story, take a listen to understand the opportunities and challenges for companies which are in this space and what this very unique company is doing.
Lovely to have you on the show, Paras. We're very excited to have you on the Leaders of Tomorrow because you're the first company in India to create high-density composite polymer tiles out of plastic. How did you come up with the concept?
As Indians, we have a lot of opportunities and a lot of resources available in our country. Came up with an idea to manufacture plastic tiles that can be sustainable and used in a large quantity. And the main idea was to clean our country. So that's made us think that let's manufacture plastic tiles that can contribute in countries' infrastructure development and can be useful for the society.
Tell me more about the range of products you have under Shania and what are the kind of other infrastructure products you're looking at under the same gambit.
Currently, we are manufacturing two types of paver tiles according to their strength capability. We are in process of making wall and floor tiles also, but they are still in prototype process.
Tell me about the partnership between CSIR and the National Physics Laboratory that enable the technology that you're using to create these plastic tiles.
I came across one article in Tribune newspaper that NPL scientists are working over the plastic waste. Then I went to meet the scientist who developed this technology. I met him and I discussed with him about my idea. So they were also very interested. Still we are in process of making some technology and there is some client who was ready to invest in this technology and ready to transfer this technology. So we both collaborated with each other and in July 2017 we got the transfer from the National Physical Laboratory. See, research and development part is done by the National Physical Laboratory, as me and my partner are not from science background. We have done the ground level work, then we purchased the machinery and we came up with the prototype and then with the final product within 2 months.
According to UN reports, the world will create 619 tons of plastic waste every year. Are you seeing this as an opportunity? How do you think entrepreneurs can use this to innovate?
We all have to join hands and tackle it together by reuse, reduce and recycle all the products as an individual and as an entrepreneur. Plastic is an ubiquitous product, so we cannot avoid plastic. So we at China take it as a challenge and we take it as an opportunity that it will be useful for us as we are using it as a raw material. The plastic can become its own solution if we try to reuse the waste material.
How different are they from the cement tiles and what are the challenges you face in terms of consumers who are looking to make the switch to recyclable plastic tiles?
We have a specialized quality control team which makes sure that our tiles can pass minimum 5 tests before reaching to our customers. The main challenge of waste plastic is there's a lot of labor required in segregating the plastic. There are 7 types of polymers, so we have to segregate and categorize according to their polymers, colors, and then we add some fillers to it. So obviously recycling process, it's not cheap. It's expensive, and while adding some environment friendly fillers, the price will little go up. We have been in touch with a lot of municipal corporations in many states and we have done a couple of projects in Agra and Kanpur also. So people are now getting aware by the political parties awareness campaign like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The process is in testing. We are using fly ash. We are planning to use sugarcane bagasse and rice leftovers. So we are in process to use it and then test it, and then if it is okay, then we'll go forward with it.
You're currently a bootstrap company. Are you looking for investors?
It's a very tough journey for us. From last 2 years, we bootstrapped our company. We invested a lot of money. Currently, we are in talks with 2 venture capitalists. Initially, we are only looking for the environmental capitalists who are environment conscious and We had a tie-up with few environmentalists also.
The government is, like you said, promoting more cleaner environment and trying to recycle and reuse as much as waste as possible. Is the government trying to help you? What are the kind of collaborations that have fueled the growth of your company?
Yes, now the government is helping us as because there is also Swachhta Sarveshan survey. According to their ranking, the municipal corporation will get funds from the central government. First breakthrough we got from Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. They opened one of its kind pet-friendly park in India. Municipal Corporation wants to become a zero-waste municipal corporation in every state. So they prefer to use recycled products, especially made out of waste plastic. Every municipal wants to get the higher ranking in Swachhta Sarveshan survey. So we are offering a unique product which can increase their Swachhta ranking. So Hyderabad is using, and Hyderabad came second in Swachhta ranking also.
Tell me more about the market when it comes to these tiles and blocks. How big is the market in India and where do you see yourself here?
In 2014, tile market is around 18,000 crores. So if we'll get a 0.1% in the starting years, that will be a great achievement for us. So it's a huge market. And if we talk about India particularly, we are in a developing stage. So we need to, there are a lot of smart cities coming up and a lot of construction and infrastructure development is going on.
Tell me more about your future plans. Where do you see yourself?
With the new opportunity that we have achieved by using plastic waste, plastic can be its own solution by using different means, by manufacturing condensed boards and the existence product which are into the market. We can collect them, we can reuse them, that can create a value for business, that can protect our future, and that can save our planet. So for the single-use plastic, we are coming up with a condensed boards that can be fabricated into small houses, toilet structures, shelter homes, dustbins. We have plans. Let's see. First, we have to, clear the test of quality test of single-use condensed board. Then we'll come up with new fabricated structures and everything.
Thank you so much for coming on the show, Paras. Lovely to have you here.
Thank you so much.
That's our show tonight. If you want to be featured here on Leaders of Tomorrow like either of our two small giants, do get in touch. Our contact details up on your screens in just a moment. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.